Hello everyone. So I somehow got my thing to go farther up so I'm not hitting it all the time, hopefully. I did finish up them tags and journaling cards that we collaged together, and I did some separate, of course, and our one belly band. I am going to leave these plain, I think, and just sell them as they are. I might put a few of these inside the journal that will be through the giveaway. I've been working hard on trying to get done with the tiny its and bits and pieces that need to be done for it, so it is coming along. And I hope you enjoy this video, which will be on, let's see, I will also be having a giveaway later in the day, the announcement of the giveaway, so I hope you enjoy. Again, it's just one of them days. Let's see. So for today, I wanted to show how to do a, whatchamacallit. I want to do a video of making maybe a folio out of just old book page. So I'm just going to glue 2 pages together here, and I think I'm going to have 5 pages total. So 1, oh, I forgot the TV's on. My apologies. I don't normally leave my TV on, but that happens, I guess. This is an idea that's been going around. I know Gail Augustinelli has done one like this. A couple other people have. Just you do you. So we got 2 down so far. Three. And I find that this is a great way, again, to use up your book pages. 4. I'm doubling these up in order to get that look and that feel of thickness that are in folios. So if you're wondering why is she doubling her pages, that is why. So now we have 5 pages. And when I get to this point where there's crud hanging off and everything, I take my scissors and just cut it off. Now, I understand not everybody does this. I just find it's easier when pulling pages out of books to do it this way. Just makes life a little easier. So, now we have these pages here that are just plain as plain can be, right? So now I'm going to take, oops, gotta angle this a little differently, sorry. Strips here, or cardstock even. Let's see here. You know what, I don't like that idea, so I'm going to grab a pile here of coffee dyed papers. Take it like this. Make sure they're about 2 inches apart or ripped at around 2 inches. So I'm going through this complete process with you because this is a learning experience for me too. And I like doing that with you, having some of my learning experiences with you. So if I make mistakes, they're honest mistakes. I'm not perfect. I'm not inhuman or anything else like that. I just have to try, doing my best. There. All right. Glue it on and fold it over that way, fold it over this way, grab my next piece here, which is not perfect, obviously, but that's okay. Yeah, I decided today felt like something a little different when it came down to TV shows, and I was watching Rain. Okay, just grabbing my bone folder here. What I like to do if I need a straight line bone folded makes life just a little bit easier here. There we go. Yeah, I like watching Rain on Netflix once in a great while. It ain't a all the time thing, but it does give a bit of fun to things, so especially when I'm without the kids for a little bit. Ooh, I might be off here. Yeah, I am. Gosh dang it. That definitely is not the right spot for it to go through. I should just bend it like this. There. unfold that. This one, unfold over. And just gonna do a quick. Oh my goodness. Okay. There. All right. Let's keep her going. Again, I'm just gluing as I go. See what happens. Oh my goodness. It's moving on me. Just making sure it's as straight as possible, which I'm really bad at making these straight, honestly. Like, where they need to be straight. I'm gonna just fill them in a little bit just because I want this to be correctly done. Again, this is just a great way to use up what you have to make it perfect. Now, you might not be a perfectionist, so this may seem a little, or you may be a perfectionist where this may seem a little too fidgety and stuff like that. I can't blame you. I just am trying to make it to the best of my ability. And it's like completely crooked. Holy cows. Okay. This one's the one that's all awkward. Now I need to hold this one to match up this one. Like that. All right. So there we go. We got a folio going for the most part. I'm going to quickly fill in these few here, and then we can go on. I know this is pretty sound, what I'm doing, but that's okay. Again, this is just dyed paper. Not sure which kind, but I know that's all it is dyed. Alright, so this is our beginning and all that, a folio. Same way with this way, a folio. Alright, now sometimes with folios you can add pages, you can, like a journal. Some people go off and collage over top of this with their digitals and stuff like that. I mean, you could do 1,000,001 different things. I'm just showing you the basis of it being what it is. So, just wanted to show you a simple folio makeup. And this is going to bother me, so I'm cutting it off. I like things being squared. That ain't gonna matter too much. Squaring it. There. Now it's a little bit better squared. Ooh, except this part is like way crooked. There. Alright. So, again, just a simple folio, how to make it. I'll be working on this off and on, I think, for a while. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial of a basis of a folio with your old book pages. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye!